and we should run over that way behind Tops and just go along the side and go home.
Alright, video number 2, I guess. Good enough.
Is that piss on your fingers?
No.
What is it?
It's water.
Oh.
Do it, let's do it. You're gonna just dump it?
No, I'm gonna drop the whole cup. We should do it over there, because we're probably gonna want to run in this direction.
Okay.
That's the way we're
Let's go over there then.
Where'd she go?
I don't know.
She's already over there.
Alright, kids.
She doesn't get to see it.
Yeah, and what?
Come on, jump. Ah! It got on my hand when I jumped. Ah. Alright, people that are going, right?
I guess.
Are we gonna drop it on the car or just near it?
Just run. Do it, whatever.
Okay,
We don't have that much time.
Get ready.
Go!
Explode.
Go!